Most welcome, my friend, in my channel. We are started microbiology online study. Let's start today's topic: bacteria and their morphological characters. What the bacteria? Bacteria defined as a microscopic single cell organisms that can penetrate into healthy tissue and start multiplication either by the asexual reproductive pathways, in which they are the budding pathway or binary fission pathways. This is the binary fission is the most common pathway in the bacteria. And this bacteria are the unicellular free living small microorganisms that can be visualize under light microscopes. This is the most important things. You cannot visualize bacteria without microscopes, so you need to go for the sections because the size is more than 100 micrometer. This is less than microns, and those, this is 100 micron meters. You cannot visualize this. Those are belonging kingdom Prokaryota या Monera. This is the kingdoms of the bacteria या other microorganisms who are single-celled organisms belonging to in this kingdoms. They occur in water, soils, air, and all natural environment. They are present in everywhere where there the most of the microorganisms are found either in the water, either in the soils, either in the air, or all the things where they can be found. Rest thing is that the size and shape of these are vary from the between the dimension 0.75 to 100 micrometer. That's why we cannot visualize so much small size organisms. They are the cocci diameters around the, there are two types cocci, not two types, there are many types. Generally we are thinking these are coccus bacteria a bacillus bacteria, but we will describe another morphological character also. Cocci shape is 1 micron meter near about, and bacillus is 1 to 8 micron meter. You can understand these are the difference between size of the microbes, either bacteria, either cocci bacteria or bacillus bacteria. The size is the maximum size of the cocci bacteria 1 micrometer, what the bacillus is 1 to 8 micrometer. They are found in the spherical shapes, cocoid forms, or cylindrical forms, rod shaped forms. So you can also identify these bacteria on the basis of their morphological characters, where you can see house type of the bacteria. Now let's the shape of the bacteria. On the basis of shape, bacteria can be classified. One is coccus bacteria, bacillus bacteria, vibrous bacteria, spirilla bacteria, spirochete bacteria, actinomycetes bacteria, mycoplasma. So you can categorize 7 type of the microbes, bacteria on their shape. These are the coccus, bacillus, vibro, spirochetes, actinomycetes, and mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the, I will describe in the later sections why they are different from to each others. Now we are coming in the coccus bacteria. On the basis of their size, you can see these are the small spherical shape, just like that, spherical shapes and oval shapes. Sometimes this is oval shapes in shapes. Kokos meaning the berry. This is the Greek word coccus means berry. This is berry, you know that berry. And this is the example micrococcus. And we will go another sections where we can find all the structures how these bacteria are arranged to each other. Generally the coccus bacteria arrangement like this type. If they are single cells, then they are the coccus. If they are two coccus bacteria, there is a diplococcus. There is a lot of the bacteria, lot of these type of coccus bacteria conjoined each other. Staphylococcus have the like this type of structure when they are found. That there is a streptococcus. This is this rod shape like that. This is called streptococcus. Sarsinia, this is type of Sarsinia one to each other, and this is the tetrad shaped also. So arrangement of the coccus bacteria like that, you can identify their on the basis of structure, and they are combining to each other: diplococci, staphylococci, streptococci, Sarsinia, and other bacteria like that. Now we go for the next is the Bacillus bacteria. What is the Bacillus bacteria? These are rod-shaped bacteria like this type of bacteria. These are the called the Bacillus bacteria. They derived from the word bacillum, means stick. This is the stick type of the organisms that called is the Bacillus bacteria. Some Bacillus bacteria length cells may be equal and vice called the Cocobacillus. That means are their length and their size is equal. That is means this is called Cocobacillus. Bacilla is the next example of this Cocobacillus. That is the size of length breadth is equal, so you can call them the Cocobacillus. There's a both type of characters. So this is the example where you can see, and there's founding in the most of the bacteria in such type of characters. You also see this is the also you can go for their examples. If you really want to go for their example shapes, then you find such type of arrangement of the bacillus in this category. This is type of the arrangement of these groups. Arrangement of group forming bacillus is limited to the splitting across. These are the Klebsiella pneumoniae. Such type of the bacteria also found when they are groups, when they are singles. This type of example Diplococcus, when there are two types, this is called a Diplococcus. Generally the example is the Klebsiella pneumoniae, the Diplobacillus type of the bacteria. You can just see the arrangement of these bacterial structures. You can identify which bacteria is this, either Coccus bacteria, yeah, you can see that the Bacillus bacteria. And some bacteria is also like that. You can see some are the found in the chain like structures, Streptobacilli. There is a lot of the bacteria, 1 2 3 4. This is the chain like bacteria. This is the called the Bacillus subtilis, the type of bacteria where the chains are presented. This is called Streptobacilli. And one is the two type Diplobacilli. When the chain are presented, they are calling it the Streptobacillus. Example is the Bacillus subtilis. So such type of arrangement you can read bacterial classification, so you go for their most of the other identification marks. Now we are coming in the next section is the Vibrio. This is the one of the most infecting viruses present in the food poisoning, and most of the Asian country this type of bacteria, and also present in European country where the food poisoning is most common. Then you can see this type of bacteria is presented. Vibrio are the comma shape, just like that is a shape present, just like you can see here. This type of bacteria, comma type of bacteria, and curved rod. Just you see this is the curved rod is presented. You can see very good example this one. So this is the Vibriocoma is presented, so you can identify this as bacteria under microscope which shape and size. Then you can go for the section of this bacterial identifications numbers. Now you are coming another bacteria is named as Spirilla. Spirilla, those are long rod and several curved and coil sections. This is the rod shaped and curved, right? This is the long curved, so you can see here this type of structure. Rod is also and curved is also, so you can call them. This example is a very good example. Here you can identify such type of things. Spirillum reprums, these are helical in shape and rapid body is presented. So this is type of another bacteria. You can, the bacterial shape is presented where you can go and clearly identify under the microscope. So you are most welcome to understand. You can easily differentiate on the basis of their structures. Spirochetes, you can see under microscope. They are cylinder shapes. These are cylinder shaped and flexible spiral shapes. The size is also difference matters, where there is a long cylinder like that and there is a spiral type of sinking is flexible spiral is presented. You can see this is a very good example of the flexibility of spirals. You can see this is also the flexibility. So you can very good identify these bacteria on the basis of these things. So you can visualize in the microscope and separate on the basis of their structures. So this is the very easily you can find these bacteria on the basis of their structured microbiology. Now you are coming the mycoplasma. Most important things you need to be studying during the times when this comes later sections. Those are cells well defined bacteria, cell walls. These are cell walls, well defined bacteria, so that they do not have stable morphology. These bacteria has no any stable morphology. They are changing like amoeba. Their structure is always changing like amoeba. There occur rounds, oval bodies and interlacing this filament, because there is no filament is there, so they are interlacing, and they're showing such type of things are going on there. One time is this structure, the second time is this structure, because their morphologically structure is very unfortunate. So you can see under microscope where the flexibility of the structures is going on under this observation, so you can identify these bacteria are like that, so you can show on the structures. And now you are going to arrangement of this bacteria. You can see how they are arranging it. Already I told you coccoid bacteria exhibit in the aggregate, and according to them, so this is diplococcus. If there is two types are present, diplococcus, diplobacilli are also presented, like the group of four systematically arranged is cube like structure called Yersinia bacillus हो सकता है, that is coccus with unorganized arrays bunch of grapes like structure is presented, the Staphylococcus, Bacillus, Streptobacillus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus is there is a bunch like grapes of the bunch. So you can a chain like there is a Streptococcus presented, just like a Streptobacillus is also presented. So you can see if there is a bread grapes, cocci divided into two planes that remain in the four the tetrad. So such type of arrangement is showing the bacterial structure on the basis of their arrangement, how the bacteria is arranging to each other. You can identify, you can see what the structure is going on there. So you can find out these things and understand. Some bacillus, if you are going to bacillus structures, some bacillus are found in the chain like structures. I already told you this is the trichoma and Spirospira is present in this. There is a structure, the chain like structure, such like a structure is presented. This called the Spirostichia is called. So you can identify these bacteria on the basis of these things. You can go and study for the sections where you can find these things. Hope you like this lecture, and thank you so much for watching and giving time for in these lectures. We will meet tomorrow on the same time, same evening times. Wish you, thank you so much.